What is class selector? With class selector, we can select all HTML elements that have class attribute with specific class name. For example, in this case we want to select all HTML elements that have class HTML attribute with yellow class value. Class selectors always starts with dot character.
Thanks for watching this tutorial, and I hope this was helpful to you. If you like our work, please become our Patreon or simply donate or PayPal. Please remember, even a little from you means a lot for us. You can follow us on our Twitter and Instagram profiles, and please don't forget to subscribe on our YouTube channel, because on our YouTube channel, knowledge is waiting for you.